Welcome to the Farm Soho's Loft Venue. Located in the heart of NYC with a captivating view overlooking Broadway. Designed to accommodate 30 to 50 people, this bright and inviting space is bathed in natural sunlight through our 3 large loft windows. Equipped with a projector, speakers, Wi-Fi, and the TV, we ensure seamless audio-visual capabilities. Our bespoke furniture can be arranged to suit your needs, creating a personalized and comfortable environment. Adjacent to the main venue, you'll discover the lounge, a conference room designed to be used combined or separately to accommodate 16 people. This space is equipped with 2 whiteboards and a projector. You will also have access to our kitchenette, which has filtered water, coffee, and tea available for you to use. We also have a 6-stall gender-neutral restroom. We look forward to having you.